Hey guys, so here I start off with pressing out most of the control arm bushing. Next I'm gonna take off as much of the rubber as I can using an impact hammer with a blade on the end. Then using a zip saw, cut along the surface so it releases, but don't cut too deep. A little nick is okay. That is, if you cut too deep. Next, to take it off, you can use a chisel and a hammer or some pliers. Put some lube on there so the new bushing goes on easy. Using a hammer or with a round object, press it on. Make sure you put it on the same way as you took it off, or else you might not be able to take it off in one piece again.